What a Jewish person must come to understand is that Jesus of Nazareth is the Jewish Messiah. And there are plenty of Old Testament passages that show that Jesus fulfilled so many prophecies upon his first coming, so much so that it is evident that he is the Messiah, and only he is the Messiah. And he will fulfill all those other prophecies upon his second coming, like he will rule out of Zion, he will reign out of Jerusalem, Israel will be restored, there will be Shalom, and that all gets fulfilled at Christ's second coming, which is coming very soon. So being able to go to the Old Testament and show how Christ fulfilled prophecies and he is the Messiah is the key. If there's one thing that you get to say to a Jewish person, my go-to is always, Jesus is the Messiah. Once a Jewish lady replied to me, he was the Messiah, and I got to respond back to her, he's alive. And maybe that planted a seed in her heart, and maybe one day she will recall that Jesus is Messiah, he is alive, and he will bring shalom. He will bring true peace. There will be others that promise to bring peace to Israel, especially the Antichrist, and they will bring a false peace. But Jesus, Messiah, Yeshua HaMashiach, he will bring true peace to the Jewish people, to Israel, and to the entire world.